Welcome back to Learning with the Difference Speech for Teachers and Principal on School Opening After Vacations. Good morning to all. To restart the journey of education after summer vacations is again the time for new beginnings, new adventures, and new challenges. It's time to write best on clean state. After so long, we all have gathered here. This always makes us delightful that we are part of our amazing learning community KVPL. First of all, welcome back to school, and I hope you all enjoyed a wonderful summer. Get relaxed, recharged, and ready to start your journey. Okay, let me know first. How are you all? Okay. Let us together step forward to a wonderful future. Dear students, it's time to work with full energy and dedication. Learning is a lifelong process of growth and development. It empowerment us to become empathetic individuals, build our self-confidence. To you all, it's very important to recognize yourself, to learn more about your strengths and address your weaknesses. School is the place where we do not only get education, but this education sets us to grow personally, professionally, and socially. It awakens joy, curiosity, and deep desire to solve problems and help others. Dear students, Kendriya Vidyalaya is recognized for educational excellence, and this all happened not by a chance, but because of you, because of dedicated staff members, because of supportive parents, and it is our duty to maintain its excellence. Today, as your first day, enjoy it by setting up your classrooms, by making plans for the year, by meeting with your teachers and friends. Best wishes to you all. Thank you.